In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QR code on Google Slides. By the end, you'll be able to create a scannable code that links to anything you want and place it neatly on your slide. This is perfect for sharing websites, collecting responses with forms, giving out Wi-Fi info, adding quick contact details, enhancing presentations, or creating interactive classroom activities. We'll start with the easiest approach, using a free QR code website. Open any trusted QR generator, such as QR Code Generator or QRStuff. The layout may look a little different from site to site, but the idea is the same. Type in what you want the code to point to, whether that's a website URL, a Google Form link, a short piece of text, or similar content. When you're ready, click the button to generate the QR code. In a moment, you'll see a preview. Then download the QR image to your computer. If you can choose a format, PNG is a great option because it stays crisp when resized. Now place that image into your slide. Open Google Slides, load your presentation, and go to Insert, then Image, then Upload from computer. Select the QR image you just saved. It will drop onto your slide so you can move it to the corner, center it, or align it with other elements. Drag from a corner handle to resize while keeping it square. For reliable scanning, avoid making it tiny. Keep it at least 1.5 to 2 inches wide and leave a little empty space around it so the camera can lock on easily. If you prefer to create QR codes without leaving slides, use a Google Workspace add-on. In the Slides menu, click Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, search for QR code. Pick a reputable QR generator, install it, and follow the on-screen prompts. Once it's installed, open it from the Extensions menu. Paste your link or text into the add-on, generate the code, and the image will appear directly on your slide. This method keeps everything in one place and saves you the extra download and upload steps. To wrap up, you have two simple paths. Generate a QR online and insert the image, or install an add-on and create it right inside Slides. Keep your code large enough. Use strong contrast between the code and the background, and give it a quick scan from the distance your audience will view it. With that, your Google Slides deck becomes instantly more interactive and easy to engage with.